you guys what's in my August Ipsy glam bag. I will put the link in the description if you guys want to check it. So this is what the bag looks like. It's like a dark green bag with little squares on it. And the theme for August is bury yourself. So the first thing that I got was these 2-sheet masks by, I can't pronounce the name, but I'll put the name on the screen. And it's a blueberry one and a peach one. Let me know if you guys want to see a separate video of me trying these out. The next thing that I got was this IT Cosmetics Confidence Gel and the Lotion Moisturizer. It's supposed to smooth your skin and prime before makeup and hydrate up to 72 hours. This is definitely a sample size product. Like, look how little it is. I think you can only get one use out of it because it's so little. The next thing that I got was this Suve Beauty single eyeshadow in the shade Turmeric. It's like a gold shimmer shade. The next thing that I got was this Third Cosmetics liquid lash mascara in the shade Brine, I think. The next thing that I got was this Luxie Beauty 237 blending brush. I only got one item that was an add-on, and it's the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer, and it's in the shade Fair. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of me testing this out or doing the wear test. Comment down below. So that's all I got in my Ipsy glam bag. I wasn't that much excited about it. All I was excited about was the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation, but maybe next month it'll be better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The link to the Ipsy glam bag will be in the description. If you like this video, leave a like down below and leave a comment and share this video and follow me on social media, and I will see you guys in the next